Struggling to relax, focus, or sleep? Meet the new Flame Air Humidifier. Looks like fire, but it's just mist. It calms, soothes, and sets the mood anywhere. 7 mood lights. 3 mist modes. Realistic flame glow. Set the timer 1, 3, or 5 hours. Then let it do its thing. No noise, no stress. Whisper quiet and auto shut off. Flame Air Humidifier, turn your space into a sanctuary. Get yours now.